Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Settings and select System, then Power and Sleep to adjust screen timeout. Look at the Screen section for on battery and when plugged in. Click each drop-down and choose Never to Stop Automatic Display Turn Off. If you need per plan control, open Additional Power Settings and select Change Plan Settings. Use Change Advanced Power Settings, Expand Display, and set Turn Off Display after to Never. Save changes and test by leaving the device idle for a few minutes. Open System Settings and choose Battery or Lock Screen to control display sleep. Under Power Adapter Settings, enable Prevent Computer from Sleeping Automatically when the display is off. Move any Turn Display Off slider to the maximum or Never option when available. For a temporary solution, open Terminal and run Caffeinate to keep the screen awake indefinitely. Use Caffeinate DIMMs to prevent display and disk idle sleep while a command runs. Remember to revert changes to preserve battery life on portable Macs. On Android, open Settings and tap Display, then Screen Timeout to change the value. Choose Never when the option exists or select the longest available timeout period. If you only need the screen awake while charging, enable Developer Options and toggle Stay Awake. On iPhone, open Settings, then Display and Brightness, and set Auto Lock to Never to disable Automatic Lock. Remember that keeping the screen on increases battery use and may cause screen burn if static images remain visible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.